What's up everybody, my name is Ibra and welcome to my channel. There are a couple of red flags when you want to buy or sell your car, and one of the red flags that on my car is the filter box, the air filter box. They put some sport filter that is not very good in quality and it looks very nasty, and these are totally some red flags when I want to buy a car. But this car was very cheap, was a good deal, so I didn't really pay attention. I got a filter box for 20 euro, something like that, and I got a filter for 10 euro. Now I will swap it. I prepared almost everything. It's again another sunny day. Wow. So there is the filter box here. This piece is from the intake, the up part of the filter. I prepared my second camera here as well, and there is the filter. So let's start with the preparation. I will also remove this piece of metal. I don't know what is it for, but since it's on my way, I will just remove it. I'm again using the original BMW tools, so I will use this. So this rusty piece of metal is going to be garbage. I'll put here. So there is also this spare clips for the filter box. I ordered 3 once upon a time for my BMW E60, and there was one by mistake extra. It's good that I have. There is one missing on this filter box, so I will just put this one to the E46. I think they are all the same, at least on this age of the BMWs. I came on purpose with my Cabrio. This is BMW 325 M54 B25, and this is M54 B22. I just wanted to make sure that I have the bolts, and I was just lucky to find identically the same bolts in my garage, so I will use these ones. And again, another BMW tool, 10. It fits perfect. So let's start removing this cheap sport filter and get rid of it. It looks very cheap and nasty. I'm happy that I'm getting rid of this one. So I'm starting with the fitting with the down part of the filter box.
Oh, it's so sunny. It's such a sunny day and I cannot really see what am I doing. The sun is making me even more tired.
This one here, the one that is missing, this must fit like this, hopefully, and ready. A brand new filter. So this thing was missing as well. This came with the filter box. I fit this one first. And just make sure that the top part fits perfectly, and after that start closing with the clips. a quick inspection. This one is okay, this one is okay. There are two here that are fine, and here that is very tight, but it's fine. I had access with my fingers, so it's done. So I fit this one first. There are these metal clips from the sides. Oh, it's very dark here. I'm not sure if you will be able to see it. Oh god. So yes, there is this metal clips. When you press from the sides, it just pops in, and this is done. The second part is fitting this thing. Oh, it's gonna take some time because it's very tight. I see where things go, so I removed my jacket. Wow, it's not that hard. I just want to make sure that I'm fitting everything perfect. Will not need to remove it and do it again and again and again.
A few moments later.
Either something is not original or there is something missing. I cannot really be sure about it. I will see what I can do.
More moments later.
Sure, I have one more this metal thing, metal ring or coupler, or for now I'm just tired and I cannot really remember what it is, but I'm sure I have. Just I'm far from my garage, so I will try to fit this as much as possible. I feel so close, but I cannot really finish it. I will take a little break. I actually found this one from the sport filter that I removed, like this. So I will just use this one. It's apparently my lucky day. So first of all, I have to fit here the small pipe, the plastic pipe that is merging one to the other one, and put this metal ring, and after that try to fit in this way. So I will use this big one for the MUF sensor, maybe, I have no idea, this one, and the smaller ring for the other side. So everything looks just perfect here, and it fits perfect. Let me see. Yes. The next step is putting this top part to here and put the metal ring. I just don't like the position of it. See that here is bent and it's not supposed to be bent. I think there are some pipes under the filter that are making this filter box up, and that's why it doesn't fit. I will remove it again. Okay, I think I found the problem. Actually a couple of problems. So there are some hoses that are not original and they are on my way. And the second thing, I just had to bend it a little, reposition it, and it just came where it's supposed to be. So I will try to try to push them away from my way, and after that fit the bottom part of the filter. Then eventually I will be able to fix everything here. Okay, so I feel really good about today. I fit this filter box. I checked everywhere. There were some hoses that were on my way, unoriginal hoses, some pipes. Someone also did a crankcase valve delayed on this car. That's why there are some aftermarket pipes around. They were on my way, but I'm happy with the result that it fit perfect, and there is no issue. For the time being, I will just clean around, and thank God that I have another car with the similar setup. I was just comparing this one and the other one and checking what is different. Everything is original. I'm so glad that no one did something aftermarket on this muff sensor and pipes as well. So these original instruments are really helping me a lot. Okay, this one here, this one here, and I must have the original screwdriver. Yes, it's here. I got so dirty, and this is the other hand. Actually, it won't be so bad if I just give a quick clean. If you haven't watched the video that I cleaned the engine bay and fit the strut bar on this car, go check out my channel and you can see how I cleaned the engine bay with some regular cleaners. Okay, I decided not to spare any time to clean the engine bay because I'm a little tired, I'm hungry, and I've done one more thing on the car in my checklist. So I feel confident, I feel happy with the result. I'll just start it just to make sure that the battery is not dying. So that's all for today. I'm not sure how much I was able to record the process. I will go home, rest, eat a little, and we'll edit the video, prepare it for you. I'm happy that it was another sunny day and I was productive. I've done something on the car. I was able to record some part of it. Maybe I will just go enjoy the sunny day with my cabriolet. Another E46 is just going. So I'm happy with the result. I'm happy that I've done something on the car, and hopefully this week it's going to be ready to list Next episode is going to be fitting the Style 2, Style 32 17-inch wheels, and let's see the result, how the car will look like. Thank you for watching me. Please hit the button subscribe to support me, and there will be more videos of this BMW and the other BMW. Stay tuned.